So the first step in generating our store is going to be choosing our product source. As you can see here, we have a few different options to choose from. We've got AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, and Shopify. The Shopify option allows you to generate a store using existing Shopify products. So if you're using platforms like CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, or AutoDS, just import your products into Shopify first, and Atlas can actually build a store around those too. In my case, for this video, I'll be using a product I found on AliExpress. I found these super cool slides, and I'll be generating my Shopify store based on this product. Now back over on Shopify, all I have to do to generate my store is just copy and paste the AliExpress product link here and click on Generate Store. Let's go ahead and do that here. And it's really as easy as that. Our store is now being generated. Here you can see there's a few different product photos that were imported from AliExpress. But if you don't like these photos, don't worry. Later on in the video, I'm going to teach you how to generate high quality product photos that are going to look so much better than these. So from here, you can choose the images that you'd like to import into your store. Or if we scroll down a little bit here, you can actually upload your own product images if you already have some handy. Once you're done here, let's click on Continue. And now we can begin customizing and previewing our store. Here on the right-hand side, if I scroll down, we can get a live look at our product page. We see our product photos, a customer review section, and we even have our product at a discount. Little details like this will start helping our store drive sales immediately. We see some features about our product listed here and arrives by date, and we even have real customer reviews. You can see that this one mentions the material of the shoes. And this is one of those things that makes this AI store builder stand out to me compared to others that I've tried out in the past. Like for example, if I open up the description tab here, we can see that the content written within it is actually handmade and custom to the product that I imported. And if we continue scrolling down the product page here, we can see that it's consistent across the entire store. This AI store builder pays attention to detail and actually builds an entire store that feels handmade. And with other AI store builders, I've noticed that you really don't get this level of detail. And in my opinion, if we publish this store right now, I truly believe that it would start driving sales immediately. But if there's anything that you want to change about your store, you can do so super easily here on the left-hand side. To start customizing your store, you can do so here in the color tab. There's some pre-made colors here for you to choose from, or you can dial in a specific branded look here as well. Next up, going to the product tab, you can configure details like the store name, your product title, or the price, along with all of the other information that you see here. Going back up, we can check out the reviews tab and configure our reviews. And we can do the same thing here within FAQs, and we can configure some of the details within our home page. Once you're happy with the customizations that you've made, you can click on Continue to move on to the next step. Let's go ahead and do that now.